Let's talk about resilience. What is it? Why does it matter? Why is it something that you and your organisation should be thinking about? Crises happen all the time. We've seen disruptions due to IT failures. We've seen cyber attacks in the last few months. We've seen severe weather events such as the storms that impacted and wildfires. All of these are events that will continue to happen and will potentially get more frequent and more significant. Is your organisation prepared? Have you thought through what you will do? Resilience is all about being prepared and being able to manage in the face of uncertainty. These are events that are inevitable, will happen, and we can't pretend that they won't impact our organisations. So what can you do now that can help you be better prepared? The first thing is thinking about scenario testing. You will have some idea what you would do when a disruption happens, but have you made sure it will work? Organisations are 4 times more likely to be able to recover faster if they've done scenario testing and if they've actually made sure that their teams know what's going to happen when a disruption happens. The second thing is around communications. Do you know who you need to communicate with and how you're going to communicate with them? Do you know how you're going to talk to your employees? Do you know how you're going to talk to suppliers and stakeholders? And also, do they know? Have you told your employees how you're going to communicate with them in a disruption? Have you made it clear to suppliers and third parties? Making those plans in advance is really important, and making sure you communicate that is key to it all being successful and everyone being confident that you know what you're doing when the disruption happens. The third thing is around agility and adaptability. Are you confident that you and your organisation can flex when a disruption happens? Again, organisations are more successful when they can be adaptable in the face of uncertainty and change. Resilience is all about that anticipation. What could go wrong and how can we change how we operate when it does go wrong? What else can we think about? Use the chat below to share your ideas. There are lots of other things that we need to be thinking about to make organisations resilient, and I'd like to hear from you all. I'd also like to encourage you to join our Resilience Leaders community group. It's a monthly group. We meet to talk about lots of different topics. It could be resilient leaders and how to make sure you get the best from your leaders when a crisis happens. It could be how to use AI and the pros and cons of AI. And lots of other topics are coming up in the future. But it's a great group of people that are interested in resilience, that want to work together to make the world a safer place. We are stronger together, so let's start talking about resilience.